A bar rail kit is an easy, stylish upgrade for your entertaining space. In this video, we will show you the simple steps to install one. A few common tools are needed for installation: a measuring tape, marker, and a screwdriver. You may need a drill and bit to pre-drill holes in bar face materials such as stone or concrete. You'll also want a bucket of soapy water and a rag. First, measure and cut the tubing if needed, using a hacksaw or powered saw. If cutting stainless steel tubing, use a carbide tip blade. Next, measure and mark where you are going to place your brackets, making sure everything is level. You may want to pre-drill the holes on certain bar face materials. Now, coat the tubing in soapy water, then carefully slide the brackets over the tubing. The soapy water helps prevent scratching. Using soapy water again, connect sections of tubing with a splice. Carefully position the assembled bar rail and screw in the brackets. If the bar face material is uneven, you may want to use something as a spacer in order to keep the tubing straight. Next, use the included self-tapping screws to secure the brackets and tubing. Finally, secure the end cap to the tubing using the included adhesive. After about 30 minutes, with a few common tools, the installation is complete and you can enjoy your upgraded entertainment space. Head to kegworks.com to build a bar rail kit perfect for your space.